how much does it actually cost to open a beauty school? If you underestimate hidden expenses like commercial plumbing and student kits, those mistakes can drain your savings before your doors even open. Most new founders try to guess their expenses. Instead, we are going to use a professional master financial sheet to track every dollar from the start. By the end of this module, you will have the specific formulas needed to calculate your capital ways, set your program pricing, and pinpoint your exact break-even numbers. Go ahead and download the Chapter 8 budget calculator from your studio panel and open it up to follow along. By completing this financial model, you replace general startup anxiety with a data-driven plan, allowing you to track exactly when your initial investment transitions from a liability into a profitable operation. Step 1 is defining your physical build-out. Direct your attention to the Startup Costs tab in your workbook. This is where you itemize your standard capital inputs. You need to lodge your baseline leasehold improvements, local municipal security deposits, and all of your cosmetology styling stations. But here is a common failure point. Many look at a raw commercial space and forget that it almost never comes equipped with the 10 hot water drains a functional academy requires. Take a look at this plumbing contractor's invoice. You must allocate dedicated structural reserves in your budget specifically for heavy water piping and backwash installations. Front-loading these specific structural realities into your budget prevents unexpected cost overruns just weeks before your academy's opening day. Now that we've estimated your one-time capital costs, we need to model your recurring monthly operations. Click over to the Operational Cash Flow tab. Here, you will list the mandatory variables that keep your doors open: commercial rent, utilities, software, salon supplies, and your instructor salaries. This dashboard shows how these standard categories compile into a baseline. For a typical beauty school, these aggregate into a monthly overhead of $11,125. Multiply that total by 6 and lock it away. We require this reserve in place before enrolling your first class. This 6-month reserve acts as a functional safety net. It ensures that even if student enrollment starts slowly, you have the liquidity to maintain your facility and staff without needing to take on emergency debt. Step 3 is setting your revenue targets. Navigate to the Tuition Pricing tab to establish your value-driven revenue model. This stacked chart breaks down the student cost structure. We divide it into 3 distinct revenue pillars: base tuition, administrative lab fees, and the premium starter kit. It is tempting to discount this tuition to attract early students. Avoid this. Lowering your price point can erode market trust in your brand and makes it harder to attract high-quality instructors. We use the break-even student cohort formula. Divide total monthly expenses by net monthly tuition to find the minimum active students required. For example, dividing our $11,125 overhead by a $1,200 net tuition means we need exactly 10 active students to break even. Remember that beauty schools also have a dual revenue stream. Revenue from salon clinic services performed by students can further reduce the pressure of hitting that enrollment target. Combining premium pricing with this break-even math shifts your focus. You move from desperate selling to selective, high-value enrollment. Once you finish these tabs, you will have a customized, legally compliant operational budget and a finalized tuition scale. For enrolled Academy students, sign your action checklist and workspace journal. Then submit this workbook to your faculty advising director and institutional registrar for verification. If you are watching online, subscribe to secure your financial future and access your Chapter 8 budget calculators in the studio panel now. Success in this industry is not a matter of luck. It is the result of building and then following a mathematically sound financial blueprint.